Hey everyone, welcome to our next video in our e-learning series. This time, we're focusing on delivering content and giving your learners seamless self-service access across any device. I'll walk you through how responsive the modules are, how automated communications work, how to track learner engagement, and how the customer portal supports a smooth, self-paced experience. Let's go. Alrighty, I'm back in my e-learning content library. Let's start with a quick look at the preview functionality. You can preview your content either from inside the course or directly from the library. It's a great way to see exactly what your learners will experience once the content is published. You just click preview and you'll be able to interact with the module just like a learner would. Up the top right, you can toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile views, and the content will automatically adjust. Everything is fully responsive and looks great on any device. Now, let's jump into a scheduled course that already has e-learning attached, and we'll check out how automated communications work, and then I'll show you the customer portal. So I'm just going to pull up a course here and jump into the edit, just to show you in the schedule tab, I've already got some e-learning courses available. Now, if I pop back out of that settings tab and just look at the course itself, you can see I've got some registrations. And then under the e-learning tab, I can actually view all the statuses of each learner interacting with each individual item of e-learning content. Now that gives you a really quick overview at a glance, who's interacting with what content and how far through they are. And over on the communications tab, we handle everything end to end from communications. In this instance, I've sent an email to a learner that I've added a new e-learning course. So let's go and jump into the customer portal and see what the e-learning looks like from a learner. I'm in the customer portal and I'm going to act as a learner. They can see everything here, all their upcoming and past registrations, any e-learning they've purchased, their orders, waiting lists, and also their profile settings. Under each registered course, learners can quickly access any linked e-learning to that course and track their completion status. In just a click, they can just jump straight into a module. And if I just do a click, then just like that, I'm taking the course and interacting with the content that you've created in basically a matter of seconds. Again, as mentioned before, this is responsive across any device. So I'm just clicking through a few of the options here in my course. Now, anytime I can actually back out from the course back to the portal if I perhaps want to self-service later, or I want to take a different or additional course as well. So I can just jump back now, and then I can see my status as well. And as I mentioned earlier, any standalone e-learning I've purchased is also accessible just right here. Here's one example. And that's a wrap on delivering your e-learning content. In this video, we've covered how to preview and test your modules across devices, how Arlo's automated communications keep learners informed every step of the way, how to track learner progress in real time from the e-learning tab, and the power of the customer portal for self-service access. You can let learners engage with your content anytime, anywhere. It's all about making e-learning delivery effortless for you and for your learners. In our next video, we'll dive into tips for editing, customizing, and branding your e-learning content so it looks, sounds, and feels exactly how you want it to. See you there.